Time travel for kids. Share and subscribe to Jaden Wins. Time travel is a concept that has fascinated people for centuries. It refers to the ability to move forwards or backwards through time. While we don't yet have any way to travel through time, scientists have come up with different theories about how it could potentially work in the future. One of the most important theories related to time travel is the theory of relativity, which was developed by the famous scientist Albert Einstein. This theory helps to explain how time can be different depending on how fast you are moving. It's a little complicated, but here goes. Imagine you and your friend are standing next to each other. You both have watches that are perfectly synchronized. Now, imagine that you start walking away from your friend at a very fast speed, let's say, near the speed of light. Even though you can't feel it, time for you will start to slow down. This means that your watch will start ticking more slowly compared to your friend's watch. When you return to your friend, you'll find that your friend's watch has ticked off more seconds than yours. So even though you both experienced the same amount of time, because you were traveling so fast, your experience of time is different. This is an important idea that scientists think could play a role in time travel. If we could somehow travel at incredibly fast speeds, we might be able to move through time differently than we can today. Another idea related to time travel involves wormholes. A wormhole is like a shortcut through space that connects two different points in the universe. It's kind of like a tunnel that connects two faraway places, but it's not a physical tunnel that you can see. Scientists think that if we could find a way to create and control wormholes, we might be able to use them for time travel. For example, imagine one end of a wormhole was on Earth and the other end was on a planet millions of years in the past. If we could travel through the wormhole, we could instantly travel back in time to that era. This is because the wormhole would bypass the need for us to travel through space and time convention. Unfortunately, wormholes don't actually exist yet, and we don't yet know if they are possible. They remain a fascinating idea that scientists continue to explore and research. Albert Einstein was a scientist who first developed the theory of relativity. He was born in Germany in 1879 and is one of the most famous scientists in history. Einstein's work on the theory of relativity helped transform our understanding of the universe and our place in it. What made Einstein's work so important was that it challenged the existing ideas about how the universe worked. Before Einstein, most scientists believed that space and time were two separate things, kind of like a stage in a movie playing on that stage. But Einstein's theory merged space and time into something called space-time. Einstein's work showed that space and time are not fixed or absolute, but rather they are shaped by the objects and events that exist within them. This idea continues to influence modern physics and has helped scientists create new ideas about how we might be able to travel through time. In conclusion, time travel is a fascinating idea that has captured the imaginations of people for centuries. Scientists have come up with different theories about how it could hypothetically work, and many of these ideas involve the concept of relativity and wormholes. While time travel is not yet possible, these theories help push forward our understanding of the universe and what might be possible in the future.